Tough. Lightweight. KAVO's titanium alloy high-speed fiber optic dental handpiece. Aerospace-grade titanium alloy forged body with high strength and toughness. Just 32 grams, like holding a pen. Naturally corrosion-resistant, capable of high-temperature sterilization. Built-in water filter system for easy replacement. A Quattro water spray for all-around cooling. Lightweight design, fiber optic lighting, delivering a clear, unobstructed view. The low-speed, high-torque power system design. Even at lower speeds, cutting performance remains robust. Lifespan has increased by over 200%. Bearing load by cut 50% to handle extended working hours. Secure clamping prevents accidents. Emergency stop due to an unexpected situation. Fits KAVO and NSK for types of heads to meet various clinical needs. KAVO's titanium alloy high-speed fiber optic dental handpiece.